Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best products on the market. Today, we've got something that will make your cleaning routine a breeze. We're talking about the Rubbermaid Microfiber Cloth Towels. These are not your ordinary cleaning cloths, my friends. These are the best microfiber cleaning cloths available in the market, and we're here to tell you why they deserve a spot in your cleaning arsenal. First off, let's dive into the details. The Rubbermaid Microfiber Cloth Towels come in a convenient 24-pack, and they measure 14 inches by 14 each. They are made of 70% microfiber and 30% synthetic material, making them super absorbent and efficient at grabbing onto fine dust and particles. Now, what sets these cloths apart? Well, let me tell you. Deep cleaning. These cloths excel at deep cleaning. Whether you're wiping down your kitchen counters, polishing your car, or dusting your shelves, they've got you covered. Wet or dry. You can use these cloths with your preferred cleaning chemicals, but they work equally well when used dry. No need for harsh chemicals. These cloths do the job effectively. Non-scratch. Worried about scratching delicate surfaces? Don't be. These cloths are safe to use on all surfaces, including glass, wood, stainless steel, and even granite. You can use them in the bathroom, kitchen, garage, bedroom, basically, anywhere in your home or car without worrying about scratches. Washable and reusable. Tired of disposable cleaning cloths? These Rubbermaid cloths are easily washable in a standard washing machine. Not only does this save you money, but it's also environmentally friendly. But wait, there's more. These cloths are also backed by a 4.5-star rating from over 1,600 satisfied customers. They're known for being easy to clean, offering great value for money, and having excellent absorbency and durability. Now, let's talk value. The 24-pack is available for just $12.98, and you can even grab a 50-pack if you need more options. It's a small price to pay for the convenience and quality these cloths bring to your cleaning routine. Before we wrap things up, let's compare these Rubbermaid microfiber cloth towels to some other options on the market. As you can see, these cloths hold their own when it comes to value and quality. And don't forget, they're an Amazon's Choice product, which means they come highly recommended. In conclusion, if you want the best microfiber cleaning cloths that are versatile, non-scratch, and eco-friendly, the Rubbermaid microfiber cloth towels are the way to go. They'll make your cleaning tasks a breeze, and your surfaces will thank you for it. That's it for today's review, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more product critiques. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, happy cleaning!